Hey guys, what's up? This is Austin from Support, and in today's quick training video, I wanted to walk you through how to use this software as a swing trader. So if you are a swing trader, this is how you should be using the software. So walking through it right here, we're on the dashboard page, and there's three things that every swing trader needs to do. One, they need to find great stocks. They need to know where to buy those stocks, and then they need to stay alerted. So let's jump to the screener first, and let's find some amazing stocks. So as a swing trader, you're looking for stocks that are going to profit within the next week to month, and that's typically our time frame that we're looking at. And the best way to do that is right here with this pre-default search called Stocks Ready to Explode. If I click here on Stocks Ready to Explode, you'll see here that I automatically get the filter. We have 26 stocks. If I open up the advanced filter options, it'll show me what all it's being filtered by. So we have a great buy, an accuracy rating, a last change in 14 days, and at least 100,000 volume. I'm going to move this up to 300,000 and see what we get. Okay, we saw 21 stocks. And so again, the accuracy is fine. Like typically a 75 is fine, but I'm just gonna, for the sake of this video, change it up a bit. And so let's just do that. Okay, so now we have 16 stocks. These are gonna be some 16 stocks that we're looking to buy. And again, accuracy is important to me, but if something else is important to you, then search by that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sort by accuracy headed down, and these are gonna be the top stocks that I'm watching for. So we can see here that there are a bunch of stocks, and you want to go through each one to get a good list of what's going on, but I'm going to walk through MA right here. So if I take a look at MA or MasterCard, what we can see is this stock has just become a great buy. It's looking to break above the yearly highs, and so I can review what's going on this game plan, right? It's saying that it's a great buy since it's within the buy range. We're going to have a stop loss here and a take profit here. It's going to reach the profit target in a little over a month, right? 37 days. And we have a 96% accuracy, so that's awesome. Not only that, I have some social proof. Look, there are 56 other users who have this on their watch list. That means there's 56 other people planning to buy the stock as well. And so we can kind of, get the stats here. And a 1 to 5 risk to reward is amazing. Like that's something that you want to achieve. And what that means is you're risking $1 to make $5. So look, we have a super high accuracy rating, a 96%, and we have a 1 to 5. That's super awesome. We can also review the fundamentals, and it shows that, hey, look, we also have a dividend yield, which means that we're going to make money dividends while we're holding this stock. This is the perfect combo of a stock that's growing and a stock that offers dividends. So you're going to make money on the price going up and on dividends during the swing trade if it offers it during the swing trade. All right, so that's how we inspect the game plan. Now, when you want to get alerts and start adding this, you need to add it to your watch list. You can see here, if I'm going to come here, I'm going to add this stock to my watch list. Boom, now it's on my watch list. If I come here, we have MA on my watch list, which is awesome. And once the stock is on your watch list, then you're going to get email alerts and stay up to date on it. All right, guys, if you want to create a watch list on the stocks that you're watching, for instance, you want to say potential swing trades, you can do that by clicking the button below called Create a Watch List. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this quick training video. This is how you profit using the software as a swing trader.